The very first time that I've witnessed a pineapple farm, and it is so beautiful. Bonjour and namaste, and I am back with another video today. I am taking you guys to the south part of Cote d'Ivoire today, a town named Adiaké, and look how beautiful the landscape, the greenery is right now. So let me tell you quickly about this town, Adiaké. If you're watching this video and the channel for the very first time, I'm an Indian living in Africa, basically in the west part of Africa called Cote d'Ivoire, and I love to share my experiences. Just wanted to show the positive side of Africa to the world. So if you see the map, we are currently in Abidjan, and then there's Grand Bassam, and then you can see that there's Adiaké. A little bit, you can see that there's Grand Bassam, there's Bunua, which is a town as well. We cross this and then we go to Assini route, and before Assini you will see the town called Adiaké. The border that you're seeing on white is the Ghana border. So Adiaké is basically not far from Ghana. So the route to Adiaké is very calm and peaceful. As you can see, you will hardly find a lot of traffic here, unlike Abidjan or unlike Yopougon and other parts like Assini. So it is the same route as Assini, but just going straight you take a left and then you reach Adiaké. So it is almost 30 minutes drive from there, and then you will see. So it is really not populated. It is a calm place. There are some few lagoons and there are lands where you can also invest if you want, because I'm sure in this area of Adiaké the lands are still not expensive as it is far. But the very good thing is, if you invest here, it is just near to the beach, like it is just near to Assini. It is not far. You can just drive for 20 minutes, you will be in Assini. It is also not far from Bunua, which is another town. So it is in between Abidjan and Assini, so it will be a very good investment. Guys, so we have stopped here at the pineapple farm. I wanted to show you how the pineapple farm is. It is a huge farm on the route of Adiaké. It is the very first time that I've witnessed a pineapple farm, and it is so beautiful. I never saw how it really grows. So let me show you guys, and yeah. So just behind me, it is a pineapple farm, very big. And other than that, the town is small, very peaceful. They have one school, they have one hospital, they have gendarmerie, they have police station, like basic everything is there. I also discovered a beautiful lagoon that they have, and this lagoon is 4 hours away from Ghana. So if you want, you will reach to one of the town in Ghana from this lagoon. It is a kind of waterway. I'm sure that the people are transferring goods and they're coming and going through this route. Also, if you're a nationality of Cote d'Ivoire, you don't really need a visa to visit Ghana. You can just enter Ghana with your Ivory Coast passport. So on my right, you can see that this is the school that they have. It's a school. It's the only school I think that they have in this town, and that there are small boutiques on each side. And then if you go straight to this road, it will take you to this beautiful lagoon where you can sit, have meal, like just spend your day. that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed the beautiful plantation of pineapple, coconut and the way to Adyake. I will see you guys very soon with another virtual tour of another part of Cote d'Ivoire. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.